Do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know how subconscious mind works? Do you know how subconscious mind is being programmed? My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I am teaching hypnosis, NLP, self-hypnosis for many years now. And now, subconscious mind is the most powerful thing we have, and we are unconscious about it. Yes, my friend, subconscious mind is a 99% of our total mind power. But everything is automatic. Once it is programmed, it works automatically without your conscious efforts. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I am conducting a very powerful workshop to reprogram your subconscious mind in 60 seconds or less using self-hypnosis. So I am conducting a workshop on self-hypnosis, video workshop. It will be happening on Telegram. In this workshop, you will learn how your conscious mind works, how it is being programmed, and then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis, and then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis and reprogram your subconscious mind using powerful affirmations and visualization, and then come out of it. Now you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis instantly. That means within a minute or two, you go into self-hypnosis, program your mind and come out. Everything will take more than 2 or 3 minutes. And it's a very simple technique. I am using it for many years. In fact, I work with the top level sportsmen in India and abroad. I teach them self-hypnosis so they can reprogram their mind. Now this is a 7-day workshop, video workshop on Telegram, and it's free. Remember, it's free. I am not charging anything from that. It's totally free. Why totally free? Because I want each and everybody to learn self-hypnosis to reprogram their mind. Whether you are a student, whether you are a businessman, whether you are a housewife, or whether you are a sportsman, it is useful for everybody. Right now, in fact, we are reprogramming your subconscious mind negatively. Yes, my friend, it has been programmed since our birth. So, if you really want to program your mind, want to learn self-hypnosis, change your subconscious mind so that you can become what you want to become, attract what you want to attract, achieve what you want to achieve, this is the course for you, and it is free. It's a 7-day workshop happening on the Telegram group. It's a video workshop starting from 11th. So my friend, if you really want to learn it, click on the link below and join our Telegram group if you are not yet joined. Now, as this workshop is free, I will suggest you to share this link to all your friends and family members and your colleagues so they all can get benefit from this free workshop. It's a 7-day video workshop. So my friend, take charge of your life now. Learn to reprogram your subconscious mind through powerful technique of self-hypnosis, simple but very powerful technique. So my friend, register right now, click on the link, join our group. Now advantage of joining my Telegram group is, there is one more interesting thing. There is one more program already there. That is the advantage of Telegram. So scroll up, and when you go up, you will find more videos of my different workshop. That was also free workshop. That will be a bonus for you. So my friend, register right now, click on the link, go to my Telegram group and join, and add more your friends and family member, and see you on 11th of October. 11th of October. Thank you very much.